Solar Floodlight 08 Ultra, made for outdoor use with an IP66 rating and German standard ADC12 pure aluminum housing, as well as outdoor powder painting. It uses Philips lamp beads, which are of superior quality and reliability. It has a remote control and a 120 wide-angle design for full coverage. The 15-watt light has a lumens of 2634.19. When mounted at a height of 5 meters, the center lux is 46.62. Next up is data for the 45-watt light. And the outdoor scenery for 08 Ultra. The high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon solar panel has a high conversion rate with an adjustable bracket for max sunlight absorption, a 5 meters long and 2x1 wire for flexible installation. Welcome to contact Amicado. Amicado always aims to serve you better.